So, Torisha, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Okay. Um, there is a girl,
Hi-
and a mom is going to wake up his girl. Sorry, her girl, and she's means she's going to have a conversation with her mother. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Torisha, dear, just wake up. It's 9 o'clock.
Okay, mama, I will wake up. Please, give me my towel.
Uh,
Towel.
okay, Tal. Okay, but Torisha, you had a fever yesterday. So, do you want to take a bath right now?
Yes, I want to take bath with normal water, warm water, deep
Okay.
warm water.
Okay, sure. And Torisha, make sure that within 10 minutes you have to come out, okay? Because you have to go to the school. As you told me that today you have to go to the school and it's very urgent. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I will come.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, Torisha, beta, just tell me what would you like to have in the breakfast?
Mama, I would like to eat aloo chapati.
Alus. Okay. They're very good. It's your favorite. That's why you ask every time.
And can you please make uh, mint chutney for me?
Yeah. Sure. It's a very good combination and you always have it. Sure, why not? Okay, Torisha, come within 10 minutes, okay? Okay.
Uh,
Yes, here it is your breakfast and just have it and let me know the taste. Did you like it? Whether you like or not?
Mama, where is the butter? I want butter on that parantha.
Oh, sorry, I forget. Oh, sorry, I forgot it and I'll just bring it. Okay. Here it is. Okay. Apply this and have it.
Okay, it's very tasty, Mama. Can you give me one more?
Yeah, sure. But Torisha, make sure that your health is okay right now because yesterday you told me that you feel very, like vomit, like you were feeling like that. So now I'm just asking you, are you okay? Your stomach is good right now?
Yes, Mama, I'm okay now. You gave me a small parantha.
Okay, sure. So half of the parathas I'm just going to give you, okay? Is this okay with you?
Okay, you can
Okay.
give me.
Yeah, here it is. And Tarisha, yesterday you were trying to say something, but you said, okay, Mama, later on I'll tell you. What was the matter? Could you please tell me?
Yes, Mama. I want to say that I want new phone.
What? Have you lost your mind, Tarisha? Do you know that what are you asking about?
No, Mama, I have not lost it my mind, but I want phone because I want to do holiday homework and other things like I want to do some important
Hmm.
speech. I because my class teacher made me a monitor, so that's why uh,
Hmm.
I want speech for that.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's
So,
why I want phone.
hmm. So you want to upgrade yourself by using that phone, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
But Torisha, listen to me. Your father has strictly, restricted that you should not use the phone now this age. You are not supposed to use your phone in this age. You are only, 12 years you old, beta. Why are you saying like this kind of things? And why are you being stubborn?
But you always keep talking on your phone. So on 1st July, my school will start reopen,
Hmm.
and I have not done my holiday homework yet because you talk to relatives every day.
Oh, so you are blaming me that I am the reason behind it that you didn't do your homework. So Torisha, at first you should talk with your mother like very good manner because I'm your mother. You should respect. And tell me one thing: if you had already attended your all the classes, so why do you need the phone to do your homework? Because you might have written in the book and copies. So why are you asking for the phone? Tell me.
Because in my holiday homework there were pictures of Meghalaya and about the Meghalaya, and I didn't go to the Meghalaya. That's why I want phone to take out the pictures and an introduction of Meghalaya.
But you should have told me, Torisha, that I have to do this kind of things. Then I might have given you the phone. You only say that, Mama, just give me phone. I just need something. I just want to scroll something. So I thought that you want to do only you want to play like games, and you want to check some reels and all that, like nowadays kids are doing. So I feel like that, and I felt like that. So that's why I didn't give you the mobile. Okay, if you had told me like this, I would have given you. Why didn't you understand?
Yesterday I have told you yesterday you were talking to my bua, and I asked to you I told you that I need phone because I have to do my holiday homework, so you didn't listen to me. And that's yeah, that's
Sorry, beta, it slipped my mind. But you know what? Later on, you should have asked me. Okay, and I think you were making some excuses. You just wanted to point it out. You just wanted to point out those kind of things that if I just put these points in front of my mother, she would definitely get me, like a new mobile. So I think you were planning like that. Am I right?
yes, Mama, I'm planning, but please, I need phone.
Okay, now tell me the truth. That do you have does your means do your friends have some mobiles, or you are just asking? Just tell me the truth.
Yes, ma'am. My classmates have their own mobiles.
Oh, okay. So now you just want to the same mobile that they have right now, and you want to show off. Am I right?
No, I don't want to show off. I need phone because I want to do holiday homework. As I told you, that I need to prepare speech for assembly.
Okay, okay, I got it. Okay, Torisha, I'll talk to your dad, and if he agrees, then only I will buy a mobile for you. Okay, but now tell me how your studies are going on in the class and in the school. So are you performing well there? Because yesterday your ma'am were talking to me, and she made a call to me, and she was talking about you, and she was saying that Torisha nowadays it's like absent in the class, and she doesn't pay her attention to towards the board and classes and all that. So what's going on, Torisha? I don't want to. I'm not supposed to listen this kind of like complaint.
Uh, this is not complaint. Actually, my art teacher came said to me, and you have to make environmental poster and these posters, that poster. So that time I got that, and that's why my class teacher was saying to you.
Oh, okay, okay. But she. Hmm.
I was study in the class, but my art teacher does not make me study.
Okay, your teacher
Make
does. Okay, okay. Okay, so Torisha, tell me one thing. You know what? Nowadays, we know that you had your holidays, okay, in the some few days ago, and that time you had a lot of fun. We just went somewhere and we just had a lot of fun. So after coming back from there, so you just kept on sleeping. So why did you do that, beta? Now your school is going to be started, and you have been doing a lot this kind of things for a long time. I told you many times that you should focus in your study. So what happened? Yesterday you went to the tutor, and she was talking about that you were not performing well there. So what happened, beta? Why are you doing this kind of things? You need only phone, or is there some other reason behind it?
I want phone, but I got very tired coming from the Himachal, so that's why I'm not I'm not focusing on my study.
Oh, okay. No issues, Torisha. I'll talk to your dad, and if he agrees, then definitely I'll get you a phone, because nowadays I know that you have to do some projects and some like little bit things we have to check in the phone, and after that we have to complete our project and homework and all that. Nowadays we know that parents should understand about it. So I'll try to make your father I'll try to say your father that he should buy a phone for you, because you know that how stubborn your father and how is he orthodox. So I'm just going to try it, okay, once for you. Okay,
And
Tanisha?
yes, Ma. I also forgot it last study, whatever my tutor was teaching me.
Oh,
So
okay.
I got confused yesterday.
Oh, okay. So make sure that you are not going to misuse that phone, okay?
Okay, I will not misuse. This is not my habit of misuse to the phone. I will.
I will use it in the right direction.
I will use it in the right direction.
Okay, beta.
Because
Okay.
I do my work.
Okay. So it was very good conversation. You spoke very well. Tarisha, now you just tell me, did you enjoy this?
Yes, ma'am. I enjoyed this conversation.
Wow, very good.